Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to see what are the challenges that are placed in front of a wireless sensor network. Yes, so wireless sensor network is nothing but a group of some sensors placed some part upon in order to accomplish certain tasks that is being assigned. So before getting into the challenges, let us see what are the basic requirements and what are the requirement mechanism for a wireless sensor network, and then shall see what are the challenges exactly placed on the head of wireless sensor network. So first characteristics is going to be the type of service. So type of service in the sense automatically what happens whenever we are going to discuss about a conventional communication network, we are going to take the bits from one place to another. Whenever going to take the bits to be in movement, automatically we are in need of more number of interfaces, and we have to think about the service, how the network has to be established. So for this, the answer is not going to be a mere number, but it actually speaks upon the quality of service. So quality of service is going to be vary depending upon where and why and how we are going to deploy such a wireless sensor network. So we can say we want a bounded delay, or we require a minimum bandwidth, or to increase our high reliability, or the packet delivery ratio should be a very high one, or the amount of the information to be a greater one, or we are going to depend upon the quality. So in that sense, the quality of service is going to vary. And the next one is going to be fault tolerance. Whenever the node is about to fail, we have to make a redundant deployment. So for that, all the functions has to be worked according to the schedule what is being given. And then we have to think about the network lifetime. So it is going to be a major figure of merit for a wireless sensor network. Even here, the lifetime depends upon how and when we are going to use this wireless sensor network. So the lifetime is nothing but whenever we identify the very first node is failed, or whenever we have crossed 50% of the node fail, or whenever the network is going to partition, that is whenever the network is going to separate, we can say the network lifetime is declining. The next comes scalability. We are told that the sensor network include a larger number of nodes, therefore it should be scalable to a larger geographical area. The next, wide range of density. So that is the number of nodes per unit area. That is going to be the node density. So that is going to be different for different applications. And moreover, depending upon the node density, we can say whether the node is a successful one or a failure one. And the next characteristics is on programmability. So we have told that the nodes will be given up some information. So for on the process, if there is any variation, that adaptability in program has to be possible, made possible with aid of the sensor nodes. The next one is going to be maintainability. So we have told that obviously we are monitoring our own health and status. So same thing, the network has to maintain its uh, status in order for a proper operation. So that's all regarding the characteristics requirement. Next, coming to the requirement mechanism. First one is going to be multi-hop wireless communication, energy efficient operation, auto configuration, collaboration and in-network processing, data centric, locality, exploit, trade-off. Let us see it one by one. So what is a multi-hop wireless communication? So this one we have told that it is not necessary for a source to communicate directly with the receiver, but it can depend upon the intermediate components also. So next, coming to the energy efficient, we have to check whether it is for communication or for computing purpose or it for sensing purpose. We have to make a better choice. Auto configuration in the sense if there is any change in the topology, the sensor nodes should make a timely decision regarding that. Next one is your collaboration and in-network processing. So each and every network should be collaborating with each other in order to serve the purpose. And next one is the data center. So as told already, your ad network is going to be a address centric, whereas the sensor network is a data centric. That it will be taking much care about what is the data and how far the data has to be transmitted. And the next comes your locality. That is, it will be thinking about the things that is going to be by the nearby neighbor. So hope you all understand about the wireless sensor network, their basic requirement and the challenges put before.